Stop scrolling! This tiny bird might just outsing your favorite artist. The zebra finch, also known as Teniopegia guttata, is a little dynamo from Australia. These pint-sized musical prodigies are famous for their intricate songs, used to woo mates and mark territory. Fun fact, male zebra finches learn their tunes from their dads and remix them, making each song unique. But it's not just their vocal talents that make them special. Zebra finches are also social butterflies, living in large flocks and forming lifelong partnerships. And get this, they're super adaptable, thriving in both wild and urban settings. Plus, their striking black and white stripes and bright orange beaks make them as stylish as they are talented. Want a pet that's both charming and chatty? Zebra finches are your go-to. So next time you hear a bird song, remember it might just be a zebra finch dropping the beat. Skillful junkie.